Ready, set, here we go. Here's our garage makeover reveal. It's finally done. It took a couple of months, but it wasn't too bad. I'm just gonna walk you guys around. I'll show you this first of all. This is kind of cool. This is our ladder storage solution. We didn't want to hang them, especially, one like this. This thing weighs a ton, but we also don't want them falling over. So, not gonna fall over and not hanging. Just that hook keeping it, preventing it from falling in case somebody bumps into it. One of Honden's great ideas, obviously not my idea. There's one of our fold-up tables. I'll show you how it works. Let's see if I can do this while filming myself. See how easy it is. And there you go. Look at that. Nice and easy. And then to release it, okay, this is going to be hard with just one hand, but there's basically just this is the trigger to release it. You just have to press those on both sides. That one's already released. Let's do this one. Where's my camera? There it is. Coming back over this side. I know that this looks terrible on film. There we go. And right back down. Stores away flat, only takes up this much wall space. That's less than 2 inches. Here's the mop and broom storage for us, just mop storage. But another really good idea of Honden's. You can see those satin bronze hooks and that awesome camouflage green color from Rust-Oleum. Here's that reclaimed raw wood table that you saw in one of the posts. Now, I did do a post earlier about these, the new garage door openers I put, these Chamberlains. And I explained to you, how quiet they are, but now you can see for yourself, hear for yourself, I guess. That's pretty quiet, right? I think so. All right, entry door. The little mudroom area. My favorite part about this is that rug, that little carpet. It just gives it a really homey feel and it keeps this place actually remarkably clean. We've had this area set up for, over a month now? And the floor is, I think I vacuumed once with a hand vac. It really keeps itself very clean, especially with that carpet. Our fridge and freezer. Over here, the locker storage unit. And both, as I've explained, both this and that use the remaining cabinets from our old kitchen. But this thing's really cool. Gives tons of storage. These are all just kind of photo props for kind of food photo props. There are those IKEA magnets. They work great as shelf holders. My charcoal. Here's the old desk hutch that we're using to store all of our gardening gloves, gardening tools, lawn chairs. Here's the other fold-up table, directly across, so just swing across here. One there. One there. Those are really good. They're going to be great for not only work, but entertaining. It's kind of fun. We've gone over, I've told you about my neighbor Manoj, the guy from one of the other posts that gave me the coffee cans. We've gone to his house a few times and had drinks in the garage on a rainy night, and it's really fun. So we'll do that too. And so these are good kind of entertaining tables. Our other ladders and sawhorses are over here. Everything is, again, secured with these hooks, standing on its own, but can't fall over. This ladder is standing on its own, can't fall over. I think I just accidentally shut that in my, I've got the remote in my pants, and when I bent over, I hit it by mistake. Let's open that back up again, get some light in here. So yeah, everything just hanging on these hooks. They're very good, very convenient. Over here, power washer. And the last thing, I don't know, some of you might remember this. This used to be in Buddish's room back in Connecticut. This was an old filing cabinet. We got it, I don't know, we either got it at Put and Take or maybe we bought it somewhere. I don't remember. Hannah would remember, but she's not here. She's at work, so I can't even ask her. But when we moved here, we kind of set Buddish's room up differently. So this was basically floating around. It was just in the garage here being unused, but now we use it for, I think, dog food. Yeah, dog food. Up top, more dog food. There you go. From filing cabinet to dog food holder. How's that for progression? And that is pretty much it. Let me go to wide angle here. It's simple. There's nothing fancy in here. Everything, as I stated many times in the blog posts, we didn't want to spend much for this. And really the only thing we bought was white cabinet paint. I think we had some wall paint already, maybe had to buy a little bit more. And what else? Probably something else, but I think that's really about it. We had everything else. We had all the wood for that table. Obviously, we had these cabinets. I had that 3/16 inch plywood I had. I had the 3/4 inch that we bought last summer. Thank God for that. It costs a fortune now. Yeah, pretty much everything else, everything we had. That's the beauty of this. We did everything with scrap. These guys, scrap left over from both Buddish's floating desks that we made, and I think this one might be from, we use this stuff also in the laundry room and also in the kitchen, so I don't even remember which scrap is from which project, but oh yeah, I had to buy paint for those lockers, spray paint. That took a lot of spray paint. I did it outside. That was stupid. It took forever to spray those things. Next time, something that big, I have to spray it inside. Spraying outside a large flat surface, not easy, not fun. Yeah, we had to buy that paint too. But other than that, this was a very, very cheap makeover. And here's the deal. It's a garage at the end of the day. We wanted it to look nice, obviously, but more important than looking nice was being functional. We needed storage space. We needed a place to put a lot of kind of random crap. And, these lockers, those cabinets, that gives us the space we needed. It just takes some pressure off the craft room inside, the kitchen. It's just overflow storage, really. So that's it. The Navage Patch Garage Makeover 2021. And hopefully the last one I will have to do at this house.